Welcome to the Great Garden Channel, the gathering place for flower lovers. Warning, don't use the following fertilizer, unless you're ready to regret not discovering it sooner. Today, I'm going to share with you a completely natural organic fertilizer formula made from familiar kitchen ingredients, safe, gentle, and easy for anyone to make. I've been using this method for many years and have seen incredible results. And strong and healthy orchid roots, glossy green leaves, long flower spikes, evenly growing buds, and bright, long-lasting blooms. Sometimes even blooming continuously through multiple seasons. Let's get started. As a basic orchid care principle that I always follow before applying fertilizer, you should lightly rinse the orchid pot. This is not just a routine step. It's an important technique that awakens the roots, preparing them to absorb nutrients as efficiently as possible. When rinsed with clean water, the growing medium becomes evenly moistened, while accumulated salts, dust, or impurities around the roots are washed away. This creates a fresh, well-aerated environment around the roots, allowing them to breathe and metabolize more effectively. The light moisture also stimulates the root tips, causing them to expand and enhancing the transport of water and nutrients. When the organic fertilizer solution is applied afterward, the nutrients penetrate faster and distribute more evenly, allowing the plant to absorb them fully without fertilizer shock or root burn. After rinsing, lift the plant out of the pot to let it rest, stabilizing its moisture and beginning the nutrient exchange process. This small habit yields significant results, helping orchids maintain stable health, develop sustainably, and bloom brilliantly all year round. While waiting, we will prepare the organic fertilizer. Do you often eat bananas? Bananas are not only healthy for humans, but also an excellent source of nutrients for orchids. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Usually after eating, we tend to casually throw the banana peel into the trash, don't we? But wait, don't throw them away just yet. Banana peels are rich in potassium, phosphorus, and many natural vitamins, making them an excellent organic ingredient to stimulate root growth, nourish the leaves, and promote vibrant, long-lasting blooms. Here, I will use the peel of a banana like this. First, I will cut the banana peel into small pieces. Chopping the peel helps release nutrients faster and increases its contact area with the solution, creating an organic fertilizer rich in minerals and beneficial microorganisms that support strong orchid root growth. Next, place all the chopped pieces into a jar. The next ingredient I'm using is rice. Rice contains plenty of B vitamins, minerals, and natural starch, which helps stimulate root growth, nourish shoots, restore vitality, and keep the leaves healthy, thick, and glossy. I add 3 tablespoons of rice into the cup. Then, pour 500 milliliters of hot water into the cup. Finally, stir well, cover the jar, and let it sit for 2 hours. While the mixture is steeping, I'll take another banana peel and use it to wipe the leaves of the plant. Regularly cleaning the leaves not only removes dust from the surface, but also plays an important role in maintaining the health and natural beauty of the orchid. Once the dust is removed, sunlight can reach the leaves more easily, enhancing the efficiency of photosynthesis and helping to prevent the growth of pathogens. Banana peels are rich in potassium, phosphorus, and natural vitamins, helping orchid leaves become darker green, glossy, and thickened. When you wipe both sides of the leaves with a ripe banana peel, the nutrients are absorbed directly through the leaf epidermis, forming a natural protective layer that retains moisture, reduces fungal growth, and promotes metabolic activity. By doing this regularly 1 to 2 times a month, you'll notice the orchid leaves becoming shiny, healthy, and full of vitality, a simple method that delivers surprisingly effective results. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After 2 hours, I strain out the solids, keeping only the liquid extract. This extract is rich in potassium, phosphorus, vitamins, and natural enzymes from the banana peel, the most concentrated and beneficial part for orchids. Add 1 liter of room temperature water, and that's it. The solution is ready to use as an organic fertilizer. Let's apply it to your orchid right away. Method 1. First, I pour the banana peel and rice solution into a watering can, then start watering around the base of the orchid. This watering method not only provides a rich source of natural nutrients from the banana peel, but also adds B vitamins, starch, and essential minerals from the rice, helping to stimulate root growth, nourish glossy green leaves, and boost the plant's natural resistance. Banana peels are rich in potassium, phosphorus, and natural enzymes, supporting strong root growth, nourishing new shoots, and promoting even flower bud development, while rice provides vitamins and natural energy, enhancing metabolism and restoring the plant's vitality. Water the orchids regularly once a week at first, then reduce to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain a steady nutrient supply. When watering, do it evenly and gently, avoiding waterlogging so the roots can absorb nutrients effectively. The growing medium stays well aerated, and the risk of fungal infections is minimized. Method 2. Next, Pour the banana peel and rice solution into a spray bottle and mist the entire plant evenly, including the leaves, stems, roots, and leaf axils. Spraying the banana peel and rice solution helps nutrients penetrate the entire plant, providing vitamins, minerals, and natural enzymes, while forming a natural protective layer that prevents pests and bacteria. Be sure to spray both sides of the leaves so the nutrients absorb deeply, enhancing overall protection and nourishment. This method can be applied once a week during the first month, then maintained once a month for long-lasting effects. After watering or spraying, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes to allow the roots and leaves to fully absorb the water and nutrients. If water droplets remain on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe them off with a soft cloth or clean cotton. This step is crucial because those lingering droplets create an ideal environment for mold, bacteria, and pathogens to grow. By drying the leaves, you actively prevent harmful agents, reducing the risk of leaf rot, tip rot, and common orchid diseases. With clean, dry leaves, the roots function more effectively, nutrient absorption is optimized, and photosynthesis proceeds efficiently. I'll pour the remaining solution into an ice cube tray, then place it in the freezer for longer storage. Then, put 3 to 5 ice cubes into a cup like this and wait about 15 minutes for them to melt. After 15 minutes, once the water has reached room temperature, pour the melted solution into each orchid pod. The nutrients, enzymes, vitamins, and natural minerals from the rice and banana peel will be easily absorbed by the plant, supporting root development, boosting resistance, and promoting glossy leaves and healthy foliage. Results after 2 months. The orchid leaves have become deep green, glossy, and thick, with new leaves growing full of vitality. Photosynthesis works efficiently, nourishing all the young shoots. The root system has developed vigorously, producing many new plump white roots that cling firmly to the growing medium, enhancing water and nutrient absorption, and keeping the whole plant strong and well-balanced. The flower spikes and buds are growing evenly and robustly, ready to produce brilliant blooms. The buds appear in abundance, large, vibrant, and long-lasting, with flowers blooming successively, creating a lively, radiant orchid pot that stays beautiful for weeks. This is a well-deserved reward for your consistent care. When nurtured properly, orchids will respond with abundant vitality and naturally stunning blossoms. Enjoy every moment of caring for your orchids. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new orchid care tips. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next video on Great Garden.